Okay guys, so babe and I are staying at an Airbnb. I think we're actually gonna make this tradition, but I wanted to do another room tour for you guys and show you guys our Airbnb. So we're staying today at Tower Isle in St. Mary. This is what it looks like when you open the door. You have a password. I think because the door's open. Yeah, you have password for door entry. When you come in, this is what it looks like. Do not mind the suitcases. We just moved in. To your right, you have stairs that lead to upstairs. This is a condo. And to your left, this is gonna be babe's favorite part, the kitchen. You wanna tell them about the kitchen? Watch there.
It's our playground, my playground, huh? Yeah, so as you can see, the stove. I have a little basket for
electric stove, by the way.
Talk to them more in detail. I will in detail more.
Anyways, like it's very nice and like modernish. You know what I'm saying? Like all appliances,
upstairs,
utensils. You know what I'm saying? Nice cabinetries. You know, silver appliances. You get what I'm saying? Like the place nice. Yeah, girl. I meet that girl. We have cups and yeah, everything what we could have need for right now, right? And then over here you have the laundry. You have a washer. Let me see if you have a dryer. Come, can you record for me, please?
Yes, ma'am. Sure. Over there, beside the camera, why really on? Ready?
Yeah, so you have a washer and dryer over here, so you know if you come with your dirty clothes, you can wash them and dry them.
Wash out dirtiness, you know?
Oh y'all, it's hot dog. It's hot dog.
Eat, welcome, huh?
Yeah, okay. And then record over here. You have a nice little bar area with bar stools. You guys, I'm in Jamaica.
Yeah.
Like I'm in Jamaica, okay? Let's talk about it. Can we talk about it? Today at Jamaica. All right, cool. Next, come over that side here. We have the living room. Beautiful, airy. When I see the pictures,
sorry.
oh, because the lighting is gonna be that way.
Talk still, okay?
But yeah, when I seen the pictures online, like the place just looked super airy. I was like, yo, this just
and a natural
feels. Like the ambiance,
right
I felt it through the screen. So, you know, you have a nice little couch over here.
What am I in my shirt? I'm just rich. I'm seeing my kind of cup it.
By the nice fan.
Sorry.
By the nice fan, yeah. You have a nice little off chair there, a little side chair there. Turn and show the chair. A nice little side chair over there. You know what I'm saying? If you have anybody who will come visit you in the quarantine. Quarantine for 14 days.
Social distance.
And then you have a nice big screen, flat screen TV, okay? And then one of our favorite parts that sold us was the balcony.
Waking up to this, you know, wow.
Wait, let me give you guys the
official.
Ready for it?
Yeah.
Ready for it?
Yeah. Wow.
The balcony. Okay? Now can we talk about views?
Views.
Can we talk about the views?
Imagine waking up to this every morning.
Every day, okay? Like no one the chuck up in I want to right
look
now.
Big though, but I can't see me not try that.
Alright guys, so that's it for downstairs. Now come, let's go upstairs.
I want to get more natural light so I'm sure it show you pretty brown face, isn't it?
So
brown
come, let's go upstairs.
Big badge camera.
So you come in and obviously you see the bed. So cute. She had it set up for us. You know, she knew we were a couple and we were coming to stay here. We may not leave as a couple, but we definitely came here as a couple.
Why if you may not?
Super cute. Like, thank you. Oh, super cute. And then we have another balcony over here.
What's the big door? Alright, let's go.
You have another balcony view over here. I tried to get Babe to open the door.
And it wasn't working, the key not working, so I'm gonna check again and see what's in.
So yeah, we have a come to terms.
This is when I literally wake up to it because the other view was downstairs. This is actually the room itself.
Right.
Yeah, the master.
Nice, everything nice, everything nice. You have a nice like stand-up mirrors. Yeah, stand up. Yeah, whoa yoy. Stand up. And then the bathroom, you guys.
You look pretty in the bathroom. Pretty in
you guys, the bathroom. Hello. Hello, the bathroom. Hello. You guys, the bathroom. This bathroom is not my bathroom. I mean, about foreign. Hello, look.
Reality.
This is like one of those bathrooms from one of them sexy, you know, one of them sexy
bathroom.
Yeah, when it pop up on scene, you don't see you have sex with your man or your woman and Ray and all these things, and you know what I mean? Yeah.
Oh God.
So yeah, them something that I keep in here, but yeah.
Oh God.
We're not doing those things in here. We're virgins until marriage. But yeah, and then the nice big chandelier. Hello, come from half of the bed. We'll top of the bed already. Yeah. You see the nice chandelier, people?
Chandelier. That's
wow. Can I get a wow?
No shakiness.
Okay. So yeah, this will be where we will be staying for the next couple of days.
Yeah.
And yeah, so welcome to my crib. I hope you guys liked it. If you guys are interested, let me know. I will send you guys the link of where the place is. And yeah, it was a little bit difficult for us to get there. Like we put it in the GPS. It took us to one bush place. But we eventually found it. That's all that matters. Me want to relax. And yeah, so talk to you guys later. Bye.
Sounds of nature, you know. Sunset. I cherish them things more than anything material, you know. Yeah. Tranquility, peace of mind, you know. One with nature. Yeah. So this now on the inside. This is from Mommy, thanks man. This is buy Bowie KFC, you know? So yeah. Yeah, so even in our kitchen you can still have a view of the ocean, which is amazing, you know? Yeah, that in itself is just a blessing. Yeah. A beauty. Yeah. We always keep it over them locked, so I work with that hard. Keep the AC. What is this idea? Baba roots. As we talk about when I carry me there drive. These are the good old Baba roots. Stamina, I'm showing you the. See it? Herbal. It's a herbal beverage. Make no GMO ingredients. All natural. See it there? Molasses, rare. Strong back, as I'm there telling you for your back, see there. Sarasa spiller, what that always my every roots. Coconut root, search me heart. Hear that? Chain root. Maybe you see. Yeah, so. It's now the upstairs. Thanks to you, ocean. Yeah, this is actually a surprise. Yeah, so them set up this way, you know? Yeah. It's basically a surprise, even though, you know, it's fitting with the occasion itself, you know, or the sentiment of the occasion itself. So, yeah, we'll just check in. Yeah, see.
beautiful.